Okay, next one. Already before I step fats finished. Now we'll discuss micronutrients. See, micronutrients means small quantity of food like a calcium, phosphorus, like a vitamins and minerals. Micronutrient means like a vitamins and minerals. Here, the micronutrients include minerals and vitamins like diseases and disorders due to imbalance of minerals. May now we'll discuss diseases imbalance of the minerals means once minerals levels loss of the in the body means what diseases affect into the particular persons. May now we'll discuss deficiency of calcium. Calcium is one of the vitamin or mineral?
Mineral.
Yeah, good. Calcium is one of the mineral. Here, deficiency of calcium means once lack of the calcium levels in the body, what happening now we will discuss. Deficiency of calcium can occur due to deficiency of vitamin D. Why calcium levels decreasing in the body means because of vitamin deficiency. Vitamin D is a deficiency. Vitamin D means calciferol. That's calciferol levels decreasing in the body. That's why your body will get the deficiency of calcium. And as a deficiency of vitamin D decreases the absorption of calcium. Once vitamin D levels less in the body means automatic the vitamin D deficiency decreasing of the absorption of calcium levels means because of loss of the calcium levels na that total decreasing of the absorption, no absorption properly in the calcium levels in the body. That's why immediately they will affecting of the bones problem, vitamin D deficiency. And this leads to what?
Occurs means ki necessary. Occur.
What? I'm not understanding.
When deficiency of calcium can occur. Occur means.
Oh, occur means
can
this
happen.
one. What occur? Your voice of one body you can speak.
Deficiency of calcium can occur.
Occur means happen, take place.
Okay.
Occur means happen. Deficiency of calcium can happen to the due to deficiency because of calcium levels decrease. Na, that's a happening of the deficiency of vitamin D. And here vitamin D levels once decrease means automatic that calcium levels decrease absorption in the body. That time immediately they will affecting of the bones problem. Means bones want is vitamin D and calcium levels want. Once less means automatic they will get of the arthritis and different sometimes bone problems. Here this leads to rickets in children and osteomalacia in adults. Rickets means this rickets disease will affecting of the in children's only. That time soft bones of the children's. One soft main strong of the bone important in each person. But in children time they don't have to the proper calcium levels in the bone. That's why the bone like is soft. Just you can holding of the hand means the bone will also sometimes breaking and fracture because of soft smooth bone of the children's. That's why that is called as rickets. Almost you see now some pictures very weak. They will showing up whenever showing up the body. Useless fellows. Who's that? I can't cut. Ramesh, keep mute. Wait, I will remove better. See, main rickets will get to the children's because of why means the children time nobody will the children time not have to the proper calcium levels in the bone. That time what happened means they immediately whenever seeing of the children's you observing I think so only bones only will show. You touching of the hands means only like a observing like a bones only like that have to the peoples. You want to see picture?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And osteomalacia, this may affect to the adults. See, whenever soft of the bones in the adult time, that is called as osteomalacia. And soft of the bone and smooth bones in the children time, that condition is a rickets. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, osteomalacia. This is also one of the condition. I told you rickets for children and osteomalacia for adults. Now we'll discuss osteomalacia. Osteomalacia means softening of bones in the adult. That is called as osteomalacia. Here we will discuss. It is also known as adult rickets. Like called as like rickets is a children, but osteomalacia is the same like the rickets, but age is a differentiation. But osteomalacia is also known as like a adult rickets, and it occur mostly in women who are not exposed to sunlight. Mean this women, sometimes women's not exposing because of always women's in home only, but men's only always going outside and doing work. Na men exposing to sunlight, but sometimes it occurs main happening to the mostly to the women who are not exposed to the sunlight. Whoever women's not exposed into the sunlight, that women only will get to the osteomalacia. And as a result, calcium and phosphorus is not observed. Once no calcium levels in the body means that time what result will get means not observing properly calcium and phosphorus. Means not observing means what happens? That time no function calcium and phosphorus in the body, they will get to the phosphorus deficiency and calcium deficiency. And there is decreased deposition of calcium and phosphorus on the bones. Deposition means total less of the calcium, calcium and phosphorus on the bones. Once why like this means because of they're not exposing of the proper sunlight, and that too they will not observing proper calcium and phosphorus levels in the bones. That's why automatic they will affecting of the decreasing of levels, calcium levels and phosphorus levels in the bones. That time bones will no energy. You can't walk properly. You can't run also. You can't bend also. Like that, will get of the problems. That is a osteomalacia. Main signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms means example fever. Fever signs and symptoms: body pains, full body temperature, cold,
Headache.
cough, like headache, like this have the symptoms, fever symptoms. Here osteomalacia, whoever have the smooth soft bone and vitamin D levels decrease means that is some symptoms have to the particular osteomalacia patient. What that symptoms means? There is a rheumatic type of pain in the bones of legs. Rheumatic means like a bones infection, bones pain, legs pain means that bone legs more weighting of the total body na. That's why sometimes you get the rheumatic type means rheumatic type of means like a pain and bones of the legs. That is a rheumatic fever. Once in bones getting of the full whenever getting of the body temperature in the body means that time rheumatic fever like bones also will affecting of the problem. Like that they will get of the pains of the legs. And spine and pelvis bend into deformities. Sometimes calcium levels decrease means automatic spinal cord pelvis bend to deformities. Deformity means abnormalities. Spinal cord pelvis will get the abnormalities. You see in anyone people's pelvic very abnormal, they walking differently. One leg keeping foot in walking time, foot keeping up the forward of the leg. That day one side of the leg is going up the down because of that pelvis coming up the abnormally one side only. That's why bending means what happened, they can't do the properly running or they can't walk the properly also. Like spinal cord total bend means you see whenever spinal cord by bending to the persons. You don't know. Spinal cord where means backside spinal cord. Once they bending
Hello, ma'am. Are you there?
Hello, ma'am. Anupam.
অনুপম, হ্যালো, বলছি অ্যানাটমি ক্লাস হয়েছিল?
No, no, no.